Don't look at me.
I'm late. Hi guys, wagwan, it's Kimkerr here and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already and give me a thumbs up if you liked this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this quick and easy glam makeup look that I was doing because I was going to a function. I am using the JUVIA'S Place Warrior 2 palette. My thing is this. I have already spent my money on this palette and I feel as if they have already got me. I don't know the extent really of what really happened or why everyone is being so malicious. I don't know all of the facts, but what I do know is I spent my hard-earned money on this product and I will be using the product until it finishes. That's just my stance. That is just how I feel. I don't particularly have a problem with JUVIA'S Place. They have never done anything to me, so I am not going to cancel them. Right? Is JUVIA'S Place really cancelled? I don't know. But all I know is I have a lot of products from them and I am going to be using those products. And that is my stance on the whole thing. I like their products. I like the quality. I like the packaging. I like everything, well, most things about the product. So I'm going to be using the product. But the gold that I have on my eye is actually a MAC eyeshadow. That is a rose gold eyeshadow and it's really pretty. I really like how rosy and gold it is. So I'm using the Warrior 2 palette as I said. I'm also using the foundation. I think this was my second time using the foundation. And I'm not gonna lie, like I said before, I like this foundation. I like this foundation and I would definitely repurchase this foundation. It's a nice consistency. I love the consistency. I love the finish of it. I really like this foundation. But anyways, I was actually going to a function and I was very late in going to the function as usual. Who else can relate? Let me know in the comment section down below. But this glam look didn't take me a lot of time at all. It was really simple, really easy. I used some reds in the crease of my eye. I put the gold on the lid and I darkened up the outer view of my eye to make it look really nice. And all you have to do with eyeshadow is blend everything properly. That is the key to a good eyeshadow application. I feel like some of the accusations against JUVIA'S Place are kind of wild. I don't know anything for sure. I can only go off of what I see on social media or on YouTube. But if JUVIA'S Place is not a black-owned business, I think it's really crazy that they're using black queens on their palettes, on their products to kind of get the black dollar. I think that is beyond crazy. So if that is something that can be proven, I would definitely consider my relationship with JUVIA'S Place. But I don't know anything for sure and I can't go off of what other influencers have been experiencing. I have to experience it for myself. Yes, I love some of those influencers and I do enjoy their content, but me a big woman and I can make my own decisions. I'm not easily influenced. So if them have a conflict with the brand, that have nothing to do with me. If them outrightly come out and do something racist or malicious to get my money, that different. But if them have beef with another influencer, that have nothing to do with me. Me, I'm my own big man, me spend my own money. You understand what I say? But anyway, let me know your thoughts on this whole JUVIA'S Place cancel. Me know this is all news and everything, but I really would like to know what only think about the whole situation. basically using the same products that I always use, so I don't see the need of repeating myself in this video. Just sit back and then enjoy it. I would also like to give you guys a wedding update, I guess. Right, so as you know, I'm getting married 1 month from now. It is really stressful, it is really hectic, and I have decided to do my own makeup on that day. A lot of persons have been discouraging me, telling me to spend the extra money to get it done, but I like to do my own face. I like how my makeup looks when I'm through. I think I do a good job. If I don't say so myself, I'm gonna pat myself on the back. So I think I'm going to be doing my own makeup, and I think I also want to try and do the makeup of my bridesmaids. So that should be fun. I am worried about time. I am worried that Murphy's Law will come true. Anything that can go wrong will, but I am also determined to make it happen. I think I like makeup too much to pay somebody else to do it on me. I mean, if somebody wants to pay for it for me, well, I don't even know. If somebody wants to pay for it for me, maybe, but as it stands right now, I just want to do it myself. I like doing my own makeup. I like doing makeup, so I think I'm just gonna do it myself. Let me know in the comment section down below if you are a married person that did your makeup on your wedding day, and let me know how the whole process was for you. If it was stressful, if it was hectic, if you couldn't manage, or just let me know if you had a smooth transition when you were doing your makeup on your day.
What we do here is go back.
I'm gonna put up a picture of what my outfit actually looks like. I don't know where you can get an outfit like this, because I got this outfit as a gift from my aunt, but I really love this outfit. This is my first time wearing it, and I've had it for years, but I was waiting on a special occasion to wear it. I wasn't going to a special occasion, but life is too short to be saving up my clothes like this. Next thing you know, it dry rotten and ants near me out and all these things. So I say, you know what, wear the dress, and it was a big hit. But yeah, leave your comments in the comment section down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not subscribed as yet. And as always, enough love, big up yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.